Good morning and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you Euphorbia flanaganii. It is a succulent from Africa and it belongs to the genus Euphorbia, and genus Euphorbia is extremely diverse and is a huge genus actually, to which belong succulents as well as plants that grow in moderate climates. Uh, there are more plants that grow in moderate climates on all continents than succulent plants, but there are many succulent euphorbias as well, few hundreds actually, and they all are occupying the deserts and semi-deserts of Africa. And they are an extremely diverse genus. Here I put 3 other euphorbias, succulent euphorbias, and look how different they are from each other. And this is because euphorbias developed their ability to and adaptation to dry conditions, their succulentism, independently in different parts of Africa. The deserts and semi-deserts of Africa are isolated, and the succulentism on each of these areas, in each of these ecosystems, developed independently, separately from each other, and that's why such diversity. On top of that, in Africa, there are also different other succulents like Mesembryanthemum macy, for example, with the weird lithops and fenestrarias from the Namib deserts, Haworthia and Gasterias that are from South Africa, Stapeliads that are weird plants pollinated by flies, that their flowers are mimicking the look and the smell of flies. But let's go back to our Euphorbia flanaganii. It is sometimes called Medusa's head. Medusa was a character from ancient Greek mythology. It was a woman that had snakes instead of hair, and well, people who named this plant thought that it was an appropriate name for it, and this is something that came to their mind. So there is a very short trunk from which grow stems, green photosynthesizing stems. The leaves are, because it is a succulent, the leaves are lost or almost lost. These brown parts here and the little green things that are here are leaves. So the leaves were not completely lost, but are reduced to almost something that is almost inexistent, very insignificant. Okay, and there are 2 flowers here, and this is why I would like you to have a look at my Euphorbia flanaganii. There should be, or maybe there even will be, a ring of flowers here, a full circle, but I'm not sure. In case if it doesn't happen, I want you to see the flowers today. Maybe if there is a full ring, I will show it to you later, but let's have a look at the flowers, because what makes euphorbias are flowers. This is how taxonomists are actually grouping plants by the flowers, which are the most conservative organs of plants. Euphorbias, in the process of evolution, lost their petals and sepals, and they have flowers that are reduced to the reproductive organs only. And just like here, for example, look, here is a flower of Euphorbia that doesn't have petals or sepals, but you might say there is something around the reproductive organs of this flower. Yes, and they are what's lost is lost, and if all euphorbias lost their petals, they couldn't grow petals back. But many euphorbias, including Euphorbia flanaganii, have leaves that have taken the role of petals, have taken the role of decorating the plant, making it attractive, decorating the leaf and making it, what am I saying? The flower, and making it attractive to the potential pollinator. Okay, so in this case, there are 5 leaves around the flower, and the leaves are evolved to look like petals. And here is another example of a euphorbia that has decorated its flowers with leaves. This time there are 2 leaves that are around each of the flowers, and they are very bright. So are these, except they are very small. Okay, so this is it. This is my Euphorbia flanaganii. I hope you like it. I hope you like it. I like it a lot. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a great rest of the day.